Hello students. Today we are going to take a tour to the entire 12th standard English syllabus in the text. Okay, so in the text there are section 1, 2, 3, 4. We will just go through what is included in it. The boxes and the columns are mentioned already in the text. We'll just go through it.
Section 1, Prose section. You have 8 chapters. Sometimes there are stories, sometimes those are just informative and that way. So, descriptive, narrative, inclusive, all you have 8 chapters. First one is An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. In this, you will learn as code mixing, word usage. Then writing skill part, you will also learn to write drafting a speech, expansion of an idea. Now there are certain value or life skills which you will learn out of all the chapters. From this chapter you will learn about wit and humor, astuteness and ingenuity. That is for the first chapter, An Astrologer's Day. 1.2 On Saying Please. This is written by the famous Alfred George Gardiner. Now this chapter, from this we will learn collocations, word register, articles, prepositions, change the voice. In this also we will have drafting a speech and expansion of idea. From this chapter we will surely learn certain etiquettes, manners. We will learn about humility and understand the introspective spirit. 1.3 The Cop and the Anthem. From this, we will learn word power, affirmative and negative sentences. The writing skill part has something new, that is view and counter view, and conducting an interview. From this, we will learn self-realization, redemption, morality. Moving to 1.4, we have big data, big insights. From this, we will learn idioms and phrases, degrees of comparison, use of as well as, either or. You will have right dialogues for group discussion, and you will have conducting an interview again in this. What you will learn from this is information and communication, technology skills. You will also learn about technology literacy and media literacy. The next is 1.5 The New Dress. Synonyms, tenses are some of the topics. These are the topics which I am mentioning. You will find it after the chapter they have mentioned these all things. So I want you all to just go through the text once it is in your hand, or you have the PDF format or whatever format you have. Just go through after the chapter you have these topics. You will also learn how to write the character sketch, how to frame the character sketch. Expansion of an idea, again it is repeated, 1.2, 1.1 and 1.5. Then we will learn self-esteem, search for identity, sociability. Moving to 1.6, Into the Wild. Phrases we will learn from here. Not only but also change the voice is written over here. Then we will also do some conducting an interview, report writing, appeal writing, mind mapping, designing, etc. Problem solving, love for nature and wildlife, adventure, acceptance of challenges are the values which we will learn from this chapter. 1.7 we have a question is why we travel, and the answers would be given in the chapter. So the chapter is why we travel. We will learn adjectives, phrasal verbs, infinitive. Here we will learn how to write an email. Okay. Then the life value and life skills are adaptability, broadening of outlook, cultural integration. Then we have 1.8 Voyaging towards excellence. Students, if you really want to get some motivation, before we begin and studying all the subjects and prepare for 12th standard, I would wish that you read this chapter 1.8 Voyaging towards Excellence. It is beautiful chapter. It is a personal experience written by the writer Achyut Devlok. We will learn lots of phrases, register, primary and modal auxiliary, verbs, clauses. We will learn how to make a flyer, write a flyer. And there are some values which we will learn, that is motivation, hard work, self-confidence, determination and perseverance. Section 2 of your book has poetry section. In this there are 8 poems. So if you compare section 1 and 2, there are 8 plus 8, total 16. 8 poems and 8 chapters. So coming to the section 2 part, poems. First poem 2.1 is Song of the Open Road. In this you will learn the values like freedom, democratic values, overcoming obstacles and open-heartedness. There are certain figures of speech which you will learn from this poem, that is metaphor, paradox, repetition, and you will learn the type of a poem called free verse. Coming to 2.2, Indian weavers, there are figures of speech like simile, you will learn from this, and the life skill what you will learn from this is accepting life with its joys and sorrows, dignity of labor. And next, the Inchcape Rock. You will learn alliteration here, and you will learn the qualities of being good, the qualities of being benevolence and good triumphs over evil, poetic justice. Then 2.4, have you earned your tomorrow? In this you will learn the poetic devices, interrogation and onomatopoeia. Moral and ethical virtues, goodness, optimism, these are the values which you will learn from this poem. 2.5 is Father Returning Home, written by Dilip Chitre, one of the beautiful poem. Simile, alliteration, onomatopoeia, these are the few poetic devices which are used in the poem. You will also learn family values out of this poem, love and concern, and your responsibilities. Then 2.6 we have money. In this we will learn simile, repetition, inversion, onomatopoeia, antithesis, rhyme scheme, etc. We will learn how the values of happiness, fulfillment, futility of materialism, and so on. 2.7 is She Walks in Beauty. She walks in beauty. We will learn imagery, simile, metaphor, alliteration, personification, antithesis. And we will learn what is the essence of our inner beauty, platonic love and sensitivity. That is our life skills which we will learn from this poem. Then we have Small Towns and Rivers, that is 2.8. Written by a very good poetess. We will learn metaphor and antithesis from it. Life lessons learned are eternity and divinity, concern for environment. Now these are your 8 poems. In this also you will have writing skills such as appreciation, poetic appreciation. You will have to compose few poetic lines. You will have to write expansion of an idea, or you can write a blog writing, report writing, mind map, conducting an interview, dialogues writing for group discussion. Expansion of idea is very, very important. Debate and again appreciation. So overall you will have to prepare appreciation of the poem for all the 8 poems in your syllabus. So just be prepared with it. Section 3 of your textbook is dedicated for writing skills section. So in this you have 6 chapters. 6 chapters is this way: summary writing, mind mapping, note making, statement of purpose, drafting a virtual message, and group discussion. In this you will have to do some functional and creative writing. You will have to write a summary of any given passage. You will have to start making a mind map or design a mind map sub-branch or that way. Then you will have to convert the passage into tree diagram or a tabular format. You will have to prepare a statement of purpose. You will have to draft a message on different topics or situations given. You will have to frame dialogues, give opinions, suggestions, etc. What are the values or the lessons which you will learn from these 6 lessons? You will learn how to skim and scan. You will learn how to cut short the things which are very important and summarize it. You will learn how to do radical thinking, discovering, and you will learn how to be clear in your thoughts. You will also learn comprehending or preciseness, that is making it short and sweet and understanding, concise and organized presentations. You will learn how to do it, and you will learn leadership skills, problem solving, cooperation, and mutual understanding. This is the short, sweet section. Now comes the most difficult section of the textbook, that is section number 4, novel. You have 4 chapters in it. 1, history of novel. 2, To Sir with Love, written by E.R. Braithwaite. It is an autobiographical novel. You will learn what are the characters, plot, setting, theme, language, etc. And the skills or the story deals with dealing with troubles, problem solving, and sympathy. You have 4.3, Around the World in 80 Days, written by Jules Verne. It is also made in a movie format. It is a novel which is adventure based. Again, here also you will learn about character, plot, setting, theme, language, etc. And what you will learn is touring the whole world, meeting different people and learning about different cultures and exchange of ideas. Last chapter of the textbook is The Sign of 4, written by Arthur Conan Doyle. It is a novel which has mystery and suspense in it. Again, here you will deal with character, plot, setting, theme, and language. Here you will learn about how to solve a mystery, handling stressful situations bravely and rationally. So overall, your textbook is divided into 4 parts. That is section number 1, prose, section number 2, poetry, section number 3, writing skills, and section number 4, your novels.
I hope that you have understood and you have got the clarity of what is the content of the text for this year, for the preparation of your exams. So gradually you try to plan what is easy for you, what is difficult for you, and what you need to learn. Accordingly you keep the markings in your text, and then you keep learning. And this same goes to all the other subjects. Procedure is the same. You keep marking what you have done, what you have understood, and what is left to be done, so that you have a clarity of thought. So this is how to go about for the subject. Wait for the next upcoming video. Like, share and subscribe.